Mr. Jenkin Davis, you are secretary and deacon of this church behind us. What's your objection to this scheme for Lady Godiva to ride in the carnival?
Well, my objection is this. Being an officer of the church, a deacon and a secretary, the responsibility that is placed upon us, we should know better than to allow a girl to advertise herself as Lady Godiva did.
But surely many Lady Godivas have ridden in many carnivals before now.
That probably is the case. But we haven't given our consent. The responsibility has not been on us.
But I gather she's going to be clothed rather than unclothed.
Well, we are not sure of that.
Don't you think it's being a little bit small-minded?
No, I don't think so.
Well, I think it is if it's entertainment for the kiddies and the local people, that's all we want around this area, is entertainment.
The local church people have objected strongly
Well,
to
I
it.
quite agree, they got their own opinion of it. Like, I agree with the church that are objecting to it, that it's going to spoil the entertainment of the local people.
What do you think of the idea of Lady Godiva riding in the carnival?
Well, I think it would be a good idea. I mean, it's something original. Well, nothing very much goes on around here. I think it will sort of give it a lift. Something for them to look forward to.
Would you take part in it if you had the chance?
Well, I wouldn't mind as long as I was well covered, I'd say.
I think it's all right myself.
A lot of churchmen have said they don't like the idea.
Oh well, I don't tell about that. Churchmen, well, I mean, they're religious, like, you know.
Do you think young girls should go and compete for this a competition like this?
Well, it's up to them if you want to dress in this weather. That's all I hope the weather's fine for them anyway.
What do you think of the idea of Lady Godiva at the carnival?
I object to it,
Why?
because I don't think it's necessary for them to come on a horse naked like it is today.
Well, I don't think it's been ascertained as to whether she's naked or not.
Oh, well, I object to it. I don't care for the idea at all.
What do you know about Lady Godiva?
Well, I've been told that Lady Godiva rode through Coventry on a white horse with nothing covering her except her hair.
Would you like to see her riding in your carnival this summer?
Well, I think she would attract many people, but I think there should be more covering for her than her hair.
Would you put your daughter in for the competition?
Well, I haven't got a daughter, but if I did, yes, I would.
What about you? Would you go in for it?
If I had a figure, yes.
How about you? Would you go for it?
Yes, if my husband was willing, I would.
Would you two go in for this competition? You'd have to ride through Beddau on a horse with a wig. What do you think about that? Would you do it?
Yes, I think it'd be lovely.
What about you? Would you do it?
Yes,
Why would you want to do it?
because I never rode a horse before. I've rode one before, I want another chance to ride one.
Would you go in for the competition if you got a chance?
for it.
Why?
Well, I wouldn't like to really.
Why not?
Well, I don't know. I just would like to.
Why, have you heard something about Lady Godiva?
Well, yes.
What did she do?
Well, she rode to Coventry with nothing on.
You wouldn't want to do that here, I suppose.
No. Well, long as someone had something respectable on.
Mr. Williams, you're the organising secretary responsible for this competition. What made you decide to choose Lady Godiva?
Well, I wanted something that would draw plenty of attraction. I knew it would be controversial, but I'm out to make money for the cause, and I feel that it will draw the amount of people that I want.
What exactly is she going to wear?
Well, she'll wear a plastic skin outfit with an artificial wig attached.
You mean she's fully covered?
She's fully covered.
Now, many church people here in Beddau are very much against this idea. Did you intend this to happen?
Well, I didn't intend it, but I expected it. I expected it. I mean, it's a very controversial item, and it's only to be expected of these people to oppose these type of things.
Do you think they're being small-minded?
I do very well.